3 times 8. You got to do first times last. 3 times 8 is 24. You need two numbers that multiply to 24 and add to the middle one. So we got to add to 10. All right? And start here. So start here. There is only a finite number. There's only a finite pair of numbers that multiply to 24. It's finite. It's a pretty small list, although 24's got quite a few. Does it even work? Yes, it does work. All right, we're okay. So start there. Think about the pairs that multiply. Yes, Wayne?
I'm not trying to figure out, trying to make sure I was doing it right.
All right, and write them down. I'll start out with the first one. Just write them all down. There's no problem with writing them all down, especially when you first start. Write them all down. Don't make your brain do so much work. Make your hand do some work. So 1 times 24 is 24, but 1 plus 24 is 25. Well, I didn't want that pair, but that's okay. Now my brain doesn't have to think about 1 times 24 anymore. Did I check 1 times 24? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, yeah, I did. I wrote it down. All right, and the next one. I mean, 24 is divisible by 2, so let's try 2 and 12. We'll see how fast we get there. 2 times 12, that's 24, but 2 plus 12, that's 14. We're way closer than we were before. 14 is way closer to 10 than 25 is. All right. Questions, comments, concerns? You guys try 3 and 8? All right, if you haven't, I will. Let's try 3 and 8. 3 times 8. 3 times 8, that's 24. 3 plus 8 is 11. Oh man, we're so close. We're so close. We're almost there. And it's okay. You guys know that this practice right here, it's going to make you better. It's going to make you better at math, that practice, writing all that down. Okay? You might think, oh, I didn't even get a problem done. But no, think about how much practice you've gotten so far. All right, 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 plus 6 is
10.
10. That's it. We're done. Let's stop. We found it. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns? Okay. This is a long process when you first start out. It gets the more you do it, the faster it becomes, the better you get, the more accurate. That's true of everything. Math is no different. So it's okay. It may take you 20 minutes to do your first factoring problem. But in 3 weeks, it's going to take you 20 seconds to do a factoring problem. That's okay. That's how life works. All right. Anyone here learning to do something new besides math? Trying to cook or bake? You're taking anatomy and physiology? All right. So, man, you're going to be thinking about lateral. It's going to take you 20 minutes to think about lateral. Right? But, yeah, anterior, posterior, right? But soon you'll be driving in your car and you'll be thinking, oh man, that car's anterior to me or something. I don't know, but you'll get it. You'll get it. It happens. All right, let's replace it. 3x squared plus. All right, we're going to do 4x plus 6x plus 8. And 4x plus 6x is 10x. It's the same exact thing. We didn't change anything. This is the exact same thing. Now we want to factor by grouping, all right? And unfortunately, we're not running into the problem that Dion was worried about, but we're going to see it again by the end of class, promise. Group the first 2 terms in factor, group the first 2 terms in factor, and then group the last 2 terms in factor. Oh, Courtney said that she also does anatomy and physiology, so she's in the same boat as you guys. All right, is that for nursing? Is that for nursing, Courtney, or something else? So the only thing the first 2 share here is an x, because 4 is not divisible by 3. So all you can take out is an x. You're left with 3x plus 4. Let's see, and 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. 8 is only divisible by 2, so 2 is the only thing that they have in common. So we're left with a 3x, because 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let's stop there, see if there's any questions. Nakia?
I'm okay.
You're all right? Okay. All right. If you got questions, let me know. We got tons of, we have so much time. Yes, Justice, and then Wayne.
So I get confused when we get to the actual breaking it down part.
This step right here. So you're okay with the 3x, you're okay with replacing 10x with 4x plus 6x?
Yeah.
So the problem is coming in with the grouping?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So let's see if we can make this a little bit grouped a little bit more. So let's put that in green. The only thing we're looking at here, Justice, is 3x squared plus 4x. And we're factoring just those two things. The first term has a 3 in it and an x in it, and actually has 2x because it's x squared. The second term has a 4. Is 4 divisible by 3? No, so we can't even use this 3. Is the second term divisible by x? It has an x in it. 4x divided by x is just 4. So we can take out an x, but that's all we can take out. We can't take out any numbers on this one. And then divide, take the 3x squared, and you're dividing by an x. So there's 2 x's, but you divide by 1, so you're only left with 1 left. So you're left with a 3x, and then 4x divided by x is just 4. So it's going to be plus 4.
Okay.
All right, does that kind of help a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, Justice, you want to do this other one for me? We're going to do it over here. I'm sorry, guys, you can't see it, but that's all right. 6x plus 8. What is 6 divisible by?
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, and 6. Perfect. And it also has an x. What's 8 divisible by? All right, you helped out. So what are we going to take out? What do they both have? The biggest number is a 2. So we're going to take out the 2. So if we take out the 2, 6x divided by 2 is?
3,
Perfect. 8 divided by 2 is?
4.
Perfect. Looking great. Looking great. Yes, Dion.
Now, if let's say the 6x and the 4x will switch, would that change the answer?
No, it will not change the answer, but we're going to do what Dion just said. We're going to do that right after this.
Okay.
We'll flip them. Yeah, great question, Dion. Great question. So Dion's question was, if we wrote 6x plus 4x, would it change anything? The answer is no, it wouldn't. Okay, but we'll show that. We're not just going to say it. We're going to show it because Mike's over here going, I don't believe the thing this guy says. All right. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. I'll sell him a car. All right. So now we look to see 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4. Factor that out. So they both have a 3x plus 4. And what we're left with is an x plus a 2. And again, the order does not matter. The order does not matter. Okay? Questions, comments, concerns?